I take a breath, don't lose my time with falseness. Take it easy, don't waste my strength. I keep my mind out of those kinky waves. I keep the light in this strange game you play.
Welcome to the Caribou team led by Sebastian Nussbaumer for the 24 Hours of Innovation. We've chosen the subject number 2 called Clean Neighborhood. We started with a board chart that consists to describe the information around the product. For example, the users, then what are influenced by our product, and obviously the goal. Then we've realized the fast in order to define the needs and the constraints. Indeed, the main issues were the overflowing bins, how to find easily a dustbin, and finally, the confusion of the user's waste sorting. That's why we tried to find some ideas with the help of existing products and mainly with a brainstorming. Those reflections allowed us to move on to the design of a pre-concept. After many sketches, we found a solution with a design fully responding to our needs.
Now I know who I wanna be.
Once the concept designed, we could begin the conception and so integrate the technical and functional dimensions. Here is an inside view of the bin. As you can see, there are 4 gaps devoted to glass, plastic, metal and garbage in order to sensitize users to selective sorting. An electric engine leads a crusher in order to destroy glass and so avoid too rapid filling. Finally, the conception was done, included some improvement like solar panels and digital screen. Here is a simulation of the smart bin and its crusher. If the waste is thrown in the right hole, it directly falls in the goods storage thanks to a trapdoor. Otherwise, another trapdoor is open and the waste falls in the garbage storage. Finally, we can say that we could change people's mind about selective sorting with this attractive bin. Moreover, Smart Bin could be considered as a meta product. Indeed, users could locate it with an application. In addition, the maintenance would be improved thanks to its live connected storage information.
Now